for leaving your comfort zone and coming a little ahead of this. Now, before we start, I would like to know something from you, and you need to know something from me. Now, what we are going to do is, before we start the welcome note and others, we should know why we are here today. So if, and believe me, every right answer or every person who speaks about why they are here, and if that is meaningful, believe me, you're going to get a very good offer. Can someone pass me one people in management, please, the magazine that you're having? Yeah, I'll give it back to you. So what we are going to do is, every right answer or the very closest answer that I know will get a benefit of a very good subscription, starting from anything from 20%, and it can go up to 60%. Right? This magazine cost is 100 rupees, and by the way, I am the media partner for this event, but I'm still the host of your day. I will ensure that we are giving you the benefit of answering to each and every question. So I wanted to make it very interactive. Now, first of all, how many of you are really the HR people? भैया आप ना यहाँ से नहीं, आप वहाँ से photograph कीजिए, मुझे बहुत distraction हो रहा है, please. So, how many of you are the HR people? Please raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. नहीं, पक्का ना मैंने सही counting की होगी. Okay. So 12 people are HR fraternity. Now I would like to know, typically, can we have the microphones, please? और भैया जब बंदे बोल रहे हो ना, अच्छी सी फोटोग्राफ लेना, क्योंकि मुझे अपने मैगजीन में कवर करनी है, ठीक है? Okay, so whenever you are speaking, you need to introduce yourself, right? And I'll tell you how you have to introduce yourself. Okay, this is the one. Introduction, I am, whatever is your name, XYZ, full name if you want to give, or you want to be called as first name, whatever it is, based on your comfort level you can give. I'm working in, or if you're not working, you're a consultant or you're a practitioner, whatever, you will explain that. You stay at what part of Delhi or what part of India. Specifically, if it's Delhi, just let me know the part. And in case if you are out of Delhi, you can just let us know which part of country. Like for example, Aparna is from Mumbai, she can say Mumbai. अब वो Valad East, Andheri East वगैरह बताएंगी, वो मेरे लिए French होगा. Okay, and I am hooked up to. Now, what is hooking up? The moment we get up in the morning, this slide will be open for everyone, right? The first thing that what do? Any answers? Thanks to God. And after that? Thanks to God and parents. Yeah, of course, who bought into this world. That's a real good practice. Yes, ma'am. Exactly. So you get a right answer. Just give your name by chit and write 20%. I will give you 20% off on the magazine. Okay. So, on this annual subscription, to be very upfront. I'm not making a sales pitch, but yes, our magazine is entirely different, and I'll let you know what is the difference between the other magazines and People in Management. You already have a copy of that. Okay. Now, you will have to tell that what do you hook up in the morning, and it is preferably the first 30 minutes of your day. Whether you get up at 5 o'clock, whether you get up 4:30, whether you get up at 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, or whatever o'clock. Then, and role of AI in my weekday. Now, AI starts from your Uber to Google Maps to everything, and to the end of the day by Netflix, YouTube, jo bhi hai. Matlab, how you are hooked up with the technology. So, we can start. Sir, please, aap sabhi ko microphone de dijiye. You can raise your hands or you can go by series. And I would request the photographer, where is the photographer? Bhaiya, aap baithiye nahi. Please, aap sabki photographs lijiye. ठीक है? Thank you so much. Yes? Let's see who is the gentleman or gentle lady who is going to start. Or who is the girl? Yeah. Please. Yeah. Atul ji. No, you can speak out from there. Sir, आपको mic कैसे पकड़ना है? कैमरा इधर ले आइए, लोग यहाँ पे बोलेंगे.
Good morning, everyone.
Very good morning.
Myself, JP Singh. I worked in Reserve Bank of India for 35 years. Recently retired from RBI New Delhi as Assistant General Manager. Now I have life coach after completing my training from Ericsson International, Canada. So I got certification on November 5th, and now I have started my practicing in Delhi. I stay in Dwarka, New Delhi. So my dream is to help people, students, those having stress, depression. I want to make this universe stress and depression free.
Can we
I-
have a great round of applause for his mission, please?
I am helping students in improving their reading, writing skills, concentration, memory, and sharpening their skills to help in achieving their goals towards their careers. I am delivering lecture in schools, FM channel, or I am also taking help from my colleagues also. I am getting up at 4 o'clock daily and working 20 hours a day with the blessing of God. And last 3 months, my life has been totally changed. I can read 100 to 150 pages per night. I am writing 6 books, 3 for children and 3 for corporates and families. For children, I am writing reading, writing skills, concentration, memory, how to memorize. Then for families, corporates, I am writing Secrets of Happy, Contented and Cheerful Life. First book, which RBI will be releasing on New Year, I think. And second book is Inspirational Thoughts. I have been putting thoughts in RBI for the last 3 years. So that book is coming to you. And third book is Stress Management and Depression, How to Cope Up. These are the 6 books. And now I have started my practice in Gurdwara Sahib, Dwarka Sector 11. New Year I am going to Golden Temple. And I have talked to Bangla Sahib Gurdwara also. So my plan is to reach all 920 schools of Delhi having stress-free children. Children should be stress-free. They should chase their career. So my dream is coming up. I am now constituting my team, including psychiatrist, psychologist, then dietitian, myself life coach. Then we shall move together. And in this program, Jitendra Nagpal from Mulchand Hospital, then Dr. Sumit Singh, then Dr. Bhagwat Rajput from Venkateshwara, and Dr. Roma Kumar from Gangaram Hospital. She is psychologist. So I have already talked to them, and I have got very good response. So one thing I would like to share, I have reduced 8 kg weight in 5 months. That is a secret, and no remedy. I can share my recipe, very simple. Just 10 minutes I will explain how I start my day, what diet I can have, and how I am having full energy throughout the day. I work 20 hours without fatigue. This is blessing of God and blessing of people where I am going.
Thank you so much. I believe you have explained your bit in a very nice way. I'm sure how you're making the books would be inspirational. And we would like to certainly catch up with you during the breaks, during the networking breaks, so that we know the mantra how to reduce the weight. At least especially I can do that. Okay, now who is the next person?
Thank you, ma'am.
Can we have the mic to this gentleman, please?
Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you.
No, I was in the mic, so that's the reason my good morning is.
Okay, so thank you everyone. My name is Pankaj Vadva. I have recently started my own venture called Tangible Learning Solutions. As far as my geography is concerned, not my geography, but where I am from, so Delhi, it's in Janakpuri. Tangible Learning Solutions, at Tangible Learning Solutions, we have a team of professionals, and we look after business transformation, leadership and OD, a lot of HR consulting, and other organizational capability development initiatives that we take. And in past 22 years, I have been fortunate that I've worked with some of the best companies when it comes to HR consulting and leadership development. And the names include companies like Motorola, Microsoft, Nokia, Samsung, just to name some of them. Yeah. I have also started my journey as an author. Recently, I have authored a book which is available on Amazon, and it is there with me. It's titled Not Long Back. Yeah. So it talks about that not long back, there were many organizations which were ruling their world, If you talk about Nokia or talk about Hindustan Motors or Sears Holding, and what happened to them, and what are those 7 areas where organizations make critical mistakes and what they can do about them. Yeah?
So can you please tilt the book like this so that
Yeah.
people can take the photograph along with it? Yeah.
Thank you. So maybe during the break we can catch up and talk more about it, but thank you for giving this opportunity. As far as artificial intelligence is concerned, I think, I mean, it has consumed all of us in both positive and negative sense, so to say. If you are using Google, you are using artificial intelligence, any which way. So I mean, it's all over as far as our lives are concerned. As far as my weekdays are concerned, so I get up around 4:30 in the morning, and initial an hour or 2 hours I spend in meditation. That's the way I start my day. Yeah. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you.
Okay, I'll replace AI with technology. My mistake on this when I was preparing that. Since this topic was more to on AI, so AI has actually come out. So please replace AI in my weekdays by technology, those who are reading. And who is the third gentleman or gentle lady who is going to introduce themselves? Okay. Sir, I didn't get your name. I'm so sorry.
So my name is Pankaj Vadwa.
Pankaj. Sir, आपका नाम? JP Singh. ठीक है. I'm so sorry for that. Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I am Rohit Agarwal, and last year I started my own venture in the name of Simplicity India Consulting LLP. I put up in Rohini, that is western part of Delhi, and we are supporting organizations for manufacturing excellence and quality and safety certifications like ISO 14000, TS, and ISO 9000. And basically, artificial intelligence or technology being from manufacturing background, I worked for manufacturing tier 1 companies for the last 20 years. And being in manufacturing company, we see a lot of transformation from conventional manufacturing to artificial intelligence integrated machinery these days. So we work for them, you can say most of the days, and we try to improve productivity through introduction of artificial intelligence.
So trying to improve the productivity through AI.
Yeah.
Very interesting. So I think I'm sure this conference or the convention would be really useful for you, and we hope that by the time you go back, at least you have some definite leads or certain thing, so that the time that you are investing today should be fruitful.
Yeah, I hope.
Okay, thank you so much. Can we have a bigger round of applause? Okay, how we are going to applaud today is we will ensure that we are faster than the person who is sitting next to us. We are louder than the person sitting next to us, and we are longer, our claps are longer than person sitting next to us. So can we have a practice for this, please? Thank you. And kindly maintain the same thing for each speaker, because first of all, no matter how many times a speaker has spoken over the podium or in the stage, still before his session, butterflies are flying inside this chamber. And before lunch and after lunch, it's a little more effort. So we request you, after lunch or after break or before break, please give a big round of applause so that your speaker gets motivated. Even if you can save all the claps for my session and give it to rest of them. So as donate, leave, donate, will and close, I'm donating my claps to other speakers. So let's start with the fourth gentleman or gentle lady who would like to introduce themselves. Yes, please.
Warm good morning to all of you.
Good morning. Warm is required, honestly.
Yes,
this room
because
is
it's
cold.
Winter has started off, right? Hi, my name is Douglas Peter. I am a hotelier. I am basically into HR and training for about 22 years. I was the Director Human Resources and Owner Relations for Best Western India Hotels, about 27 hotels. And over the last 1.5 years, I have my own consulting firm. It's called Michelle Adrian Consulting. We do training, we do basically executive search, we do corporate training solutions, we do business development for large hotel chains, about 10 of them are listed with us, and we also do funding. So that's what, I'm a trainer myself. I've conducted about 1,200 training sessions over my 15 years in the training, and I was part of the skill development in the hospitality sector, headed the largest skill training center with ILFS for the hospitality sector, which is about 42 training centers across India. So that's my background. Thank you.
you know what, we have just heard 4 people, and one is an RBI guy, one is an author, another one is looking into the AI, then we have a person who is training and then funding. So a very good mix of audience. I must congratulate the India Conventions team for the speakers as well as for the audience. Can we move on to the next person? And please do not forget to. It takes really a courage to actually speak on the mic and introducing yourself. So I really have a sincere gratitude for the people who actually do that. So can we please pass on the mic to the next person? And who is the next person who is going to speak? Yeah. Sir, यहाँ पे दे देंगे आप, please mic. And for those of you who have just joined us in this room, very good morning, very warm welcome to you. We just started with the first thing. We are introducing ourselves, and the format is here. So it's very easy for any person to understand how do we need to introduce. You have to tell your name, where are you working, what is your occupation, whatever you're doing at present. You can give a brief background of about your 10 years, 15 years, 5 years experience or 35 years experience. Where do you stay? And what are you hooking up to in the morning? This you missed out, and even I missed out while you were saying because I was so much into it. And how is the technology playing a role in your weekday? Okay, so ma'am.
My name is Ekta. I'm the co-founder of internal communication design agency by the name of Brand Recall. And I'm basically, as of now, I'm concentrating more on a blog that I run by the name of Amazing Workplaces, which basically, we are talking about employee engagement and how employee engagement is helping organizations and what all forms of employee engagement are prevalent these days. It's not just about the traditional engagement that we talk about. It's basically the culture, the policies, there are so many things which are actually taking care of engagement these days. And usually I am hooked up to social media for understanding what all is going on and for, popularizing my work also, which is like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, etc. And role of AI and technology in my weekdays was we are a technology-based business. So technology does play an important role, and apart from that, even day-to-day life is impossible without technology these days. Yeah, that's all.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, we move on to the next part. Who is the, you will, yeah, please.
Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Thanks for giving us the opportunity. So my name is Vijayendra Mishra. I'm the co-founder of SoftVision Info Solution Private Limited. We founded our company in 2005, and we are Noida-based company. And after we started the company with the technology, and now in 2013 we developed the product which is called BusyPulse that helps to manage your sales, post-sales, and pre-sales activity in the real time. So this is my introduction. Thank you.
Wow. So from the hotelier to the trainer to the funder, now we have an employee engagement person, and now we have you who is doing something for the sales, starting from the pre-sales to the post-sales, everything that you. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Shreyasi. I am co-founder of Brand Recall. It's a communication design agency.
Both of you are from
Yes,
the same.
she's my partner. Based in Noida. I'm not an HR person, but we serve HR people from corporates. We serve HR department, R&R department, internal communication department. So we are connected with these people in corporates, and we work for their day-to-day, communication design requirements. So this is all about myself. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Preeti. I am working as a consultant HR with Flexi Managers. So I don't have any such experience.
Vijay's company.
Yes, exactly. I have just 2 years around approx year of experience in HR. So I'm just trying to groom myself in the same field, and so as like you mentioned, so I'm working with the Flexi Managers. So in other words, the gig economy is the other word, or interim management is the other word. We are trying to work on it, trying to provide the service for a short period of time with the companies and in any areas. And we're just trying to introduce ourselves in how AI can come in that field, so we can just fill up the loop where we are lacking right now. And beside that, as in like AI or technology, I can mention like as an HR person and recruiter, we start our work with Naukri portal mainly, and with the Google and with the other portals. So I think from starting of our day to the end of our day, we are like into AI technology thing only. So we mainly work on that.
Sir, can we move on to you, please? In this way, we'll complete this table.
Hi, I'm Ankit. I work for a background verification organization by the name of Secure Credentials. I handle the north piece for them. And I stay in Gurgaon itself, and I'm hooked up to my phone when I get up in the morning.
Can I interrupt? Is it from John, who is the secure?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, no, you can please
It's over.
It's okay, perfect. So, yes, we will cover this table and then we will move on to the people. Okay, you are left, I'll come back to you.
All right, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
I'm Monica Marwa, working with NCR Corporation as a university hiring leader for India. With around 11 years of experience primarily into entire forte of HR, starting from entry, induction, exit, performance appraisals and everything in recruitment which I've done it. When I talk about hooked up to, I really look hooked up to life, and I think when I start my day, I really thank that yes, I am blessed to be part of this world. Whatever I'm doing in life, that's really, really important for us. Be it positive, negative, I think everything makes a lot of impact to us. That's what I always believe. I start my day at 6 o'clock in the morning with spending 10 minutes of myself. That's me time, where I just plan my day, how it's going to look like for me. When it comes to technology, so the first alarm which I got it from my son's school, that yes, the bus is going to come up, so get ready and everything gonna be there. So that's again AI, which is making a lot of difference for our daily planner for taking care of our security of our children. So that's something which starts with it. Moving on with technology, throughout in HR, we are part of Taleo, Workday. We have a lot of AI implemented technologies throughout our work. So I think I'm completely surrounded with technology, and I think we can't survive without that now.
Okay, now one day if you're without technology, how would you can imagine, visualize that day?
I have spent that time as well, because I think there's a detoxification, we have to do it for our life. That's what we do, is spend a week without a technology. It works like wonder. So we need to have a good balance of it. You work with the technology, it's there. If it is not there, life is not going to end up. So
great.
Thank you.
Very great insights. Yeah.
A very good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I am Ravi Gupta, and I'm working with Multiplier Mudra Brand Solutions Private Limited, and I stay in Faridabad. And just a little about the company, as the name says, Multiplier Mudra Brand. So we are into basically retails solutions and providing brand solutions, so that a company can build its brand. A way ahead. They are, thinking and planning and everything. So if I talk about what I hooked up to, so not early, means very early when I wake up, but once I get down to, go for my work, so I just switch on my this, not exactly switch on, just check out the, what you say, GPS, whether I should, which route I should take to reach my office as early as I can. So this I do, and this is all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Smriti Srivastava, and I too work with Multiplier Mudra Brand Solutions Private Limited. As Ravi just mentioned, that we provide a lot of solutions to our brands, and we are mainly into managed services, retail, data technology, and a lot of other stuff like shopper marketing, which we are introducing ourselves for. And I stay in Gurgaon, Palam Vihar. If I myself too is hooked up to a lot of social media. So when I wake up by 6:30 in the morning with a smile in my daughter's face, she's just 11 months old and she wakes up before me. So when I get up at 6:30, she's already awake. I spend 10 minutes with her looking at the Facebook, the lot of HR groups that I've added in WhatsApp, so what all has happened yesterday and what is going to happen today. And after that, I spend 20 minutes in yoga. And then, of course, life is like Hera Fairy, just rush to office. And we already have our day planned. If I talk about role of technology, yes, it is way, way, way beyond. I take care of the OD part in my organization, and there are a lot of stuffs that we are planning to have it online. Example, like we are planning to have HR Connect. We deal with almost 10,000 plus employees pan-India. So how can we get connected with them? So that is how technology has a big role to play in our organization, and we are already having a lot of things in pipeline to introduce through technology. So thank you.
Very big round of applause. I would go to that gentleman now, and then we can, is Talis around, please? Can you please call Talis? I would like to take a go ahead and, yes sir.
Hi, my name is Anshu Grover. I'm working with Ripple Hire. We are market leaders in gamified employee referral software, if I might use that word. So we have solutions regarding recruitment basically, and I stay in Gurgaon. I am hooked up to the internet 24/7, keeps me connected to the world. The biggest impact that I believe technology has on my life is giving me access to all the knowledge that I can genuinely soak up, and it's making me so much more productive, creative in my day-to-day life.
Okay, that's good. Aparna, can we move on to that second table starting from you? It's okay, Talis will be called. Come, you introduce yourself.
So I thought I'm going to speak later anyways. Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Aparna Sharma, and I'm a member of the board of a couple of companies in the
I'm sorry I'm interrupting you. For those of you who don't know, one of the reasons why we want you to introduce each other is, one, when you're sitting with the crowd, you know the people. Plus, those who are speakers can please introduce that I am going to speak at this slot, so that people can anticipate, some buzz can be created. Monica is going to speak just after me. So I've introduced right now to her. And
right. So, like I said, I'm a member of the board of a couple of companies in the Tata Steel group. About 23 years of experience in HR, and recently became a serial author of 3 books in 3 years. The first book being Reality Bites: The Role of HR in Today's World, which is in its 4th print. The second book is in Hindi called Reality Bites: Vartaman Samay Mein Manav Sansadhan Ki Bhumika. And the third book is called Between You and Me. I'm not sure how I became an author. Serendipity, I'd say. I live in Mumbai, and hooked up to, I would say, a lot of graciousness and a lot of positivity, and basically celebration of life. I think, just the journey has been a roller coaster, not only in the profession, but even otherwise. So I think I celebrate each and every moment. Role of AI, I am dealing with AI and automation at different levels, right from home, she talked about Uber, to, as basic as alarm on the phone. And of course, to the highest levels where we are talking about digitization of things at the board level. So it covers an entire spectrum. Very happy to be here, and of course, be part of the convention and the awards today. Look forward to interacting with you. I'm going to be speaking on positives and challenges of automation and AI.
to the person who is sitting on your table. And now I've been given a red light from this organizer that it's enough that you have eaten the time. So we just fasten our introductions and then we'll come back to you. We will have more interactions during the entire day. So everyone gets an opportunity, not only the speaker, everyone will be on the mic. So we would like just a very brief introduction about the person with these details.
Yeah, I'm already mesmerized actually, so I won't take much time. So all intellectuals, authors and writers and so on. So my name is Abbas Jalise. I am part of Ericsson, quite a long stint. It's going to start the 9th year in Ericsson now. I am heading the global operation excellence for the entire HR shared services, which is like 6 centers globally plus 20 non-core locations out. In fact, artificial intelligence, RPA, is one of the things that actually happens to be a part of my portfolio. And I'm running right now this entire exercise for the past somewhere around 3-4 years, where we are trying to cover a lot of core HR and SME HR areas together, to merge together and to provide an employee experience. I'll be talking more about in the session that actually I have, a small time that I have, and would be more than happy to interact with everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Sant Tomar. I'm working with Minda Corporation Limited and I'm heading HR and IR for Noida SBU. I have total 13 years experience in HR and IR and I'm a specialist in employment laws and labor laws. I'm working on a special project with Minda Corporation on HR automation. So that's all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, both the beautiful ladies who have just entered the room. We are in the first phase, very good morning to both of you. We are in the first slide of our presentation wherein we started with the introductions and the format of introduction is here. So by the time mic comes to you, you will be prepared that what is the format. Yes, can we pass on, sir, to you?
Hi, good morning. I'm Jignesh Shah, coming from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. I'm representing a company called Monte Carlo Limited. We are not part of a woolen sweater company, we are part of an infrastructure company, which is contributing substantial to the GDP of the country as well as the big employment to the unemployed youth, as well as I'm heading the corporate HR function. Thank you.
Perfect. Yes.
My name is Vinod Mehra. Earlier in my capacity, I was consulting to technology global companies. And currently, I advise and head one of the NGOs, and I'm also an investor in startups.
Perfect. You have got a very commendable voice, sir. I must compliment you.
Thank you. And your name is?
My name is, I'm Sunanda. I'll introduce myself.
Thank
Gentlemen, you are sitting there and you have not got the microphone. So I don't want to miss out anyone.
Yeah, hi everyone, good morning. My name is Rahul Sani and I'm working with a company called Telocity Touchless Talent. So I stay in Gurgaon only, and as Telocity we provide touchless talent hiring and recruitment solutions for organizations. I stay hooked up to my cell phone, mainly watching either LinkedIn videos. So it's all about AI, and role of AI in my weekdays is more evolving to Facebook and everything, even Google Maps, etc. So technology is very much centering to everyone's life here. So that's about it. Thank you. Looking forward to interact with each and every one of you.
And those of you who have actually visited SHRM event, Telocity had a booth there, and it was like, you go into the booth, it's like a PCO, you record your questions and it will give you a complete report. Believe me, Rahul, I have not received my report, so I'll catch up with you. Okay, now can we move on to this table, sir? Aap is table pe de dijiye microphone.
Hi everybody, I'm Roli Binwal. I'm from Noida. I'm working with SRSG Broadcast India Private Limited. I have around 11 years of total experience and I'm working with SRSG from last 10 years itself.
Okay.
I start my day with my wish board. So I have a wish board, the things that I wish, and I start my day by looking at them, wishing and imagining that they are already mine. Role of technology, huge, means personally and professionally we are surrounded with technology, and I belong to an IT company, so even our gossips and discussions in office is also based on technologies only. Thank you.
That's great, yeah.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashish, and I'm leading an executive search organization. I stay in Gurgaon, and I start my day spending some time for physical and mental exercise. And as few of us already mentioned, I also hook up to technology, especially the mobile, to see what's happening around us. And as far as the role of technology and AI goes, so everyone knows technology is rapidly transforming our entire world. So no one is untouched as of now. Specifically, I'm a strong follower of all exponential technologies like artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, analytics. Thank you.
Pleasure. Pleasure to listen you, sir, and we look forward that we will interact a lot during the networking breaks.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohit Sharma. I work as a head of indirect sourcing in Indus Towers. So I get up and I'm very hooked up to technology, and I'm very frustrated about automation in the morning because I live in a smart home where the appliances are connected through a tab which a builder has given. So when I get up, there's no manual switch in the geyser, so you have to find the tab where it is kept, because children are usually playing with the tab and keeping it somewhere. And when I find the tab, it is usually drained out, because only after it is dumped, only after it is drained out, and they keep it somewhere. So I have to charge it and then switch it on, and then only it takes me 15 minutes to switch on the geyser. So that is very frustrating. Thank you.
So this is the frustration level of the technology. Very good. Good to know that. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I'm
Very good
Shivani
morning.
Singh. I'm working with Carnival Cinemas, and I'm heading HR North. And I'm also hooked up with cell phone only, and AI, Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, Google. Not.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, everybody. I'm Shraddha. I head the learning and development, employee engagement, internal communications, as well as performance management for the conglomerate called as Carnival Group. And Carnival Cinemas is one of the companies of Carnival Group. I'm from Mumbai. I am very much hooked up to my phone. I'm completely dependent on my phone for alarm, for my calendar, for my schedules. Technology is playing a very, very important role, be it in my personal life as well as my professional life. Since HR is getting more tech savvy and going and accepting technology wholeheartedly, we as an organization are also looking forward to experiment when it comes to technology and to see how technology will work wonders in HR and benefit the employees of the organization. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Ashi, working with the Carnival Films Private Limited as an HR. Right now, I'm handling multiple properties in UP region. I'm staying in Kanpur. I always as usually hooked up with the technology, AI, and my mobile phones. Role of the technology is very, very important, as no communication and no interaction with the people if no technology is going to be there. That's all.
I wonder how was the age when people used to have peasant to send their messages, right? But technology actually has hooked up. Yes, can we move on to you, sir?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjay Kumar. I'm working with Carnival Cinemas. I live in Gurgaon only. As the technology, my day starts with the technology only. My mobile alarm wakes me up in the morning. And besides that, in my reminders and schedule is all in mobile. As in AI, my Google Maps, GPS, it helps me to reach to the location where I need to go.
Very good. Thank you so much. Can we move on to you, please?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhilash. I'm working with Carnival Cinemas. I just started my career in HR department, and I live in Gurgaon. And if you talk about technology, like now I feel like cell phones has become just a new body organ. We are so much connected to technology that we cannot even think of removing it for a small time. So like from waking up in the morning, continuously get connected with social media and hiring portals and all. So we are totally connected with technology, so much so that we cannot like leave it now.
I am really touched with the point that now it has become a part of our body. Can we move on to you, Anshumali, and then we will take that circle and we'll conclude.
Hi, this is Anshumali.
24 years of experience, IT industry, and I think the way I have grown up is there's nothing artificial about artificial intelligence. It's all about accumulated intelligence. And that's what has ruled my day and ruled my clients. I love doing HR marketing, HR branding, HR disruption. I am a teacher, Delhi University faculty, visiting faculty. I'm a trainer, employability. I'm a writer, and I'm very fond of HR. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. And Anshumali is, by the way, one of the speakers for today.
Yes, so good morning, everyone. My name is Kusum Agarwal, and I'm working with Panasonic India Private Limited. I am a regional service manager for North Region, and well, I'm staying in Gurgaon. I'm hooked up to internet, and then role of AI is definitely it's playing an important role because we need to gauge customers' perceptions, his likings, and then the product feedback. So I think yes, it has a lot of role to play in our day-to-day life. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Renu Bala. I'm currently working with collegedekho.com and I'm into the talent acquisition role. So artificial intelligence in recruitment, I would say that it has helped in this domain, it has helped to do recruitment in a faster way and in an easier way. So there are a lot of applications available and also in portals they are modifying it so that it will be easier for the talent acquisition function of the HR, and it is also developing now in a developing mode, so that we will be getting more out of it, right? Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's done. Yeah.
Yeah, hi. Hi, everyone. This is Arisha Mahajan. I am a lead HR with Girnar Soft Education Services Private Limited, and we have a parent company. This is our parent company, and our entity businesses is called collegedekho.com. Herein we provide the platform. This is the platform wherein we provide admission services to various colleges, private and few of the government colleges. I stay in Gurgaon, and I hooked up to basically my day starts with checking my WhatsApp basically, and I feel that I basically don't miss on basically on the mails, basically not to respond on that, because I'm very much 24/7 basically. I feel that, you know, I'll get in touch with my people, you know. Role of AI in my weekdays, yes, very important. Basically, I start my day, I plan my calendar basically. So I start with 8, and so all like homework and basically the official work, it helped me a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Do me a favor, just pass on the mic to the other table.
Hi, good morning all. My name is Murli Sahu, and I'm basically representing Jaiswal Nico Industry Limited, and I'm heading L&D function over there, and having almost 13+ years of experience in core HR. I work in various sectors like mining, cement, this is the steel industry, and hospital as well. And yeah, definitely this technology is attached to all of us, like starting from our day to again the end. So every day we are attached to technology. Apart from my core job, I'm also sometimes working as a guest faculty in some colleges, and also I deliver online lectures. So that's about me. Thank you.
Okay. So for online lectures also you are using the technology.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
I am Shaji Thomas, working for a company called Jaiswal Nico Industries Limited. This is based at Raipur. We are basically in the steel manufacturing business. So I am working for the last 25 years in this company, and I am basically in the role of working as a resource and sourcing area. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good
I am
morning.
Dilip Mohanty, a learner, working for the company Jaiswal Nico Industries, which is the largest special steel manufacturer in this country. I stay at Raipur, hooked up to Hindi old songs in the morning, In the office, obviously hooked up to the different kind of people having various expectations and try to meet to those expectations within the gambit of the company rules and regulations. A role of artificial intelligence in my weekdays is very, very nominal, very, very nominal. But I would like to insist and to stay here, tell you that the company, this is my 8th company I'm working. Most of the company where I work do not have a very high level of artificial intelligence, but the company where I work had a profit ranging from 1,000 crores to 3,000 crores.
I think, sir, you are only the person who is left now. So you'll have to take the pain of getting the microphones.
I'll pick it up myself.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Manmeet. It's got 2 syllables, man and meet. If you reverse it, it becomes meet the man. And that's the easier way to remember my name. Father of 2 beautiful angels, Tarika and Elahiroop. And I'm working with a company called Karma Consultants North Private Limited. We have portal called Comply for HR. So if you are interested in knowing about your compliances, please make a note of it. It's COMPLY numeral 4 HR.com. Subscription is absolutely free. You'll get access to 1 state. And our MD would be talking more about it in the afternoon session. So you'll get to know about AI. And it's a wonderful, wonderful platform for all of us to interact, engage, and learn more. So looking forward to engaging with all of you today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Can you please pass on the mic to this gentleman who has just entered right down to the room? Is there any person else left, sir? I know you are the parents of someone. Are you a delegate? I'm asking you. No. Okay. So you'll have to introduce yourself in the format.
Sure. I'm Ashish Mittal. I work as the General Manager and Head of HR at Shiv Nadi University, which is a part of the HCL Technologies.
Where do you stay? What are you hooked up to? What is the role of technology in your weekday?
Yes, I'm put up in a place called Dadri, which is say about 60 kilometers away from Noida. And yes, definitely we look at embracing technology, and AI definitely has an extremely important role to play. And I think HR as a front-ending function with all the employees, it's important that how well we integrate AI into our day-to-day routine activities in order to give the best service to our employees. So we look forward a lot from this conference.
Thank you so much. Inadvertently, if I have forgotten anyone, so you are left, please. If there is anyone who has entered to the room and I have not taken the introduction, please raise your hands so that I can.
Hi everyone, good morning. Myself, AP Tripathi. I am representing here Secure Parking Solutions Private Limited. I am working with Secure Parking since last 8 years as a regional manager. And I stay at Gurgaon itself. And what do I feel about the technology in our means not only the day-to-day working but also in personal life. This is playing very crucial role. So definitely that takes matter in every activity of our personal life as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think we are done with the introductions. Can we have a round of applause for every speaker who has spoken their heart? Okay. भैया ये काम नहीं कर रहा है शायद, या मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ, देखिएगा जरा. चेक करो. अभी आया गया फिर हो गया. Well, I'll introduce myself. It would be really unfair in case if I'm the host and you don't know me. Okay, I'm a gig worker, and gig is a term which is used nowadays very often, and the one that you have an introduction in the manual is an obsolete one. Though I've worked for corporates for 17 years, but from last 1 year, 8 months, I'm doing, I'm working as a gig worker. I'm really enjoying this part of the thing. I don't know, my mind is so fickle, I can jump back to the corporates, but more I'm into conceptualizing of the events, and the first curtain raiser event for the PNM was last week on 5th and 6th of December, and we have got a very good response about that event. You will get to know from our future magazines that how was it. Otherwise, in case if you want to observe it, my creative head has created something on the YouTube. we can share the link that you can see a part of our event in that. Okay, I'm an HR professional, I've already said, and awards at each track of the thing. Gentlemen, for you, I'm giving you 80% discount on the subscription if you want, because you have actually touched upon a very important part, that technology has become your body part. This is how we are, engaging with it. So can we have a great round of applause? अतुल जी एक बार इनका फोटोग्राफ ले लीजिएगा ताकि मुझे याद रहे इनको 80% देना है, मैं भूल जाऊँ तो. Okay, now perfect. I will welcome. We have already done. We have safety exits in case of any emergency, whether it's God forbidden, it should not happen. But yes, please ensure that you are exiting out of this room, out of this building immediately. Right? Mobile should be on the silent mode, including the speakers, including the host and the organizers and delegates. Utilize your break time for the networking, because you have a varied and a vivid variety of speakers and the delegates. I'm sure everyone will get something back when they are going back. Questions, I would request all of you, Redison has provided us with the writing pads and the pencils. So please write your question in the paper and give it to us. Our volunteers would be there everywhere, or someone can just come and give it to me. I'll be standing at the side, and we can take the questions from the speakers during the end of their session. And network is net worth. I believe in it. I have a good network, and this is because of these events only. Now moving on to the guidelines for the speakers. The first set of things follow to them. Second, timekeeping. Everyone has got a dedicated time. I don't want to be a timer, but please ensure that you are a part of the time, you're keeping the time. Everyone has got a slot. And questions, please do not take any questions from the microphone. You take the questions in writing. Because most of the time, whenever people ask for the question, they give a statement first, then they give an experience, and the speaker has to find out, okay, what is the question? Again, please utilize your time very well in the networking format. Agenda, we have already taken the time of the agenda, because we were expecting a full house, and so far it is 80% house, so we are okay to go to kickstart the program. Introduction of all the participants is already done. Now AI and automation in recruitment, Ms. Monica would take over, and after that payroll management automation will be taken care by Mr. Kapil. In case if he is not coming, then we will adjust it. Aparna, who is handling implication of AI in positive and challenges, may sweep over, so I am not restricting on the time that is given in the agenda, but it's all 30 minutes for all speakers. I will take 20 minutes, out of which I've taken a good time, but it was for the introductions. And then followed by that will be, we are in 3 tracks, that's the reason why 3 colors are mentioned. And last but not the least, we will have a reward and recognitions, for which most of you would have contested and you would be receiving it. Okay. Now moving on to, I've already introduced myself. We have done the introductions. Now we talk about AI and automation and impact, adoption in the future workforce. And from the introduction, we got a very fair idea that how the AI has impacted, how the technology has impacted. I will focus a lot on how the future of the workforce would be. Now, as of now, it could be a very elementary stage when we are in the morning, when we are getting up and we are hooked up on the WhatsApp, Google Maps or something. But there would be a time where everything will be linked to the AI. I was attending a design seminar where they were saying in the tab, they will get everything. Even if you're going to a museum, it would be a 3D museum. So that kind of design future that we could see. But yes, we all agree at this moment of time that it has touched professionally and personally. Even if our dadimas, at least in my case, my mother-in-law, my parents, they all are also on the WhatsApp, and now it's easy for them to make a WhatsApp call. Okay, so that's one, and I'm going to touch base only on the 3 stages. One is the short term, one is the medium term, and the long term. When we say short term, it's all automating. When we are saying medium term, it's all augmentation, and the third one is amplification. So what I believe that as of now, we are in the automated phase, and we will be gradually moving on to the things. First question that how are you hooked up? Most of the people said they get up at 4 o'clock. Hats off to you, sirs and gentlemen, who actually gets up at 4 o'clock. I always dream, and from last I will not quote my years, but in the months I'm been trying for that कि at least 5:30 पे उठूँ, 5 o'clock को उठूँ, उठती हूँ, washroom जाती हूँ, फिर वापस सो जाती हूँ, but I cannot actually get up. So hats off to all the people who get up early morning. So the morning schedule of our day mostly, either we are hooked up on Alexa, Google Maps, Google to find out in case if we want anything. Like for example, I just asked someone, just Google certain thing for me, or Uber and Ola. So this is how a typical morning schedule goes. On the way to the office, and I'm sure every one of us is a professional, we are hooked up with a Google Map for sure. We are hooked up with a meeting app wherein we can just schedule all the meetings so that we get an automated reminder. Then Spotify or Gaane or something wherein we are entertaining. So we are trying to multitask on this. Once we reach, on the way to the office, then time to leave to the office, because in the whole day we have done so many things. And of course, as someone has said, that even the office gossips are on the technology background. We are using a technology. However, what we do while we are leaving towards the end of the day is we ensure that, okay, the next year planner is planned. Second, those who are especially in the recruitment field, they will ensure that Robo-Recruiter is somewhere helping you to screen the CVs. Then we have video recruits so that the first line or the first screening can be done. Then followed by that, the staff factors who will help us to manage the recruitment. And I'm very clear that it's based on the recruitment thing only I'm telling you. On the way back to the home and in the evening, either we are hooked up with the Amazon Prime or with the Netflix. No longer TV shows are entertaining us. Then Skype. This has become an integral part of the life. This is how the technology has come into us, and I totally agree with you again that it has become a part of our body. Okay, now moving on. Why again? Okay, this is one. Now if we see, this is a slide that I have actually copied from an internet, and I'll be very honest. These are the things which are used as of now, either it's for the CRM, for the lawyers, for the HR people, for the investment manager. So there are plenty of tools which are available today in the market which can actually help us. And I'm sure there are a few people who are already working on the software solution. Like for example, Manmeet has just said about compliance one. You said something on the AI. There are other factors which are there which is helping every person, starting from your reporters to the editors, to the lawyers, to the teachers, right, to the traders, accounting people. So no one is untouched by the technology. And you guys know a lot from me, and this is just, as I've said, a holistic view that how technology has used it. Now, every one of us, when I said that I'll be focusing a lot on the future part of the future workforce, myself, apart from the HR professional, I'm a business editor for this magazine, People in Management, and I'm also a curator of the HR magazine, events, all the events at the different plants. Now, apart from that, there is one thing which I do, sir, which may be of some help to you, Mr. Singh. I am a career mentor. With the help of the psychometrics, we actually tell the students from class 8 to postgraduate students what are the best career options that you do. Even we take care of the mid-career crisis when a person would like to shift from one domain to another domain. And this is all done through a psychometric thing. And one of the projects that I'm doing is with the Andhra government, all the Delhi schools, all the 7 schools of Andhra, I'm taking care of all the psychometric assessment on complimentary basis. There is no cost involved because obviously we come from the roots and we would like our people to be there everywhere. So this is one thing that I can do it as an Andhraite to all the Andhra schools. In case if you have any school tie-up, please do let me know. I would be ready to help you. Okay. Now when we talk about the career mentoring, what we actually tell to people is, to the students is, there are certain skills which will be useful in the future, and there are certain skills which are going to be obsolete. So without looking at the slide, if I can have 3 skills which are going to work for future and 3 skills which are going to obsolete. So I would like to close this, okay? No, it's not possible, but still, yes, audience? What are the 3 skills? Any one skill if you can say? Mr. Pankaj? Yeah, my question is, what are the skills? These are some of the listed skills. However, what do you think, what are skills which are going to move out of our curriculum or out of our personality because they will no longer be used in the Future.
Is it from general perspective?
Any general perspective, don't go by HR.
I think if you look at the way artificial intelligence is coming up, I think a lot of administrative work, or say to, for example, how do you look at CVs, collect data, do some analysis and all that, those kind of basic administrative skills, so to say, I think will move out because machines would take over. It's not that they haven't now, but I think they will take over in big way. And from an HR's perspective, I think they would move more into the strategic element, okay, helping businesses to perform better rather than helping them in policing or rather recruitment and all that. That's the way I think.
It's okay, absolutely. Anyone who thinks is absolutely doing the right thing because they are thinking. If you're not thinking, then you're obsolete, right? Can we move on to the next skill which you feel? May I have the raised hands so that I can ask the guy to take the microphones, please? Yes, please.
I suppose the latest report, I don't know which report it is, but it is
Gartner
there
Gartner.
It said that the most, one of the skill which is at risk is going to be for analysts. And these are all the big four consulting firms. I hope nobody is there from here. So these are highly paid people who evaluate a lot of data, and then they prepare PowerPoint presentations, and then they come out with their hypothesis of what is going to happen. So now across the world, they are creating softwares which will do that. So all you have to do is just give the data. The software will analyze it based on the various logics which is fed in terms of AI algorithms. It will tell you exactly that this is a presentation, it will give you graphs, it will give you everything, and it will also give you the analysis that why this hypothesis has been made. And it can be read out because there is voice files available. So, so you can just speak on the phone, or you can just speak it to itself and say, okay, gather the data, tell me how many people are using Ola and Uber on a daily basis, how many people are coming from Vasant Kunj or Gurgaon total, how many, and give me an hourly breakup. And the AI assistant will give you in less than 10 or 15 minutes, which normally takes a lot of people to sit, gather information, Excel sheets, prepare. So that's one skill which is going out. Apart from that, there is lots. Yesterday I saw a video where in the hotel industry we were discussing with the HR fraternity, and since I'm the convener of the Delhi HR Society. And there is a they've already created, it's the Robo Chef, which is now being sold at $10,000. So as the cost, the number of orders go up, the cost comes down. So the Robo Chefs are so good that you can virtually, there's a program, you just go to the screen and just type it, and it will make a pizza, it will make a pasta, it will make Indian dishes also. They made some Indian dishes also.
Great to hear. Can we have one more skill? Yes, sir, please. Yeah. So one is, he said that mundane administrative jobs.
I rather say that there are certain professions which are on the way out. Like you said, data analytics. And what is data analytics? You talk about investing. So there's a lot of threat on the investors, people who are investing. Then legal profession is on the threat. Applications already there which are replacing that. But having said that, every domain needs to identify high income skill. And that's what is a skill which will not be possible to automate as of now. But having said that, legal is out of way, audit, accounting is out of the way, investors, the consultants are out of the way.
Perfect. So these are the skills which are going to obsolete, and what are the skills, can we ask to the other side of the tables, what are the skills that are going to upcome right now? So can you please pass on the microphone? Yes, gentlemen.
I think one of the strategic skills is that one needs to be really aware of and be updated on the latest technologies available, what all can be leveraged on their day-to-day transactional activities. Because all those transactional activities are definitely going to go away. So if one is not aware of how he can best utilize efficiently his time using all those technologies, I think he needs to be updated around that.
Okay, this is one skill. Any other two? I need two more skills. Yes, yeah, it's okay. I don't mind.
Yeah, so I think especially the people management will kind of take a prominent role, because my point is we can't eliminate the H in HR, right? So I'm thinking no matter how many machines we have, how much AI we use, but we still need to have a humane touch to our people. So I think people management will definitely take a very predominant role.
So people management, and you said, how to leverage the latest technology. Okay, any one more, Monica or you? Okay, please.
Emotional intelligence, if I talk about, I think I've got it there. But personally, it's like a lot of critical analysis which is being done right now, because there's a lot of data which people are using and we don't know what is exactly to be utilized. So that is something which is going to take a prominent position now on, because there are a lot of changes which are going on and people are accepting it still with a kind of a reservations onto it. So that is something which is going to take a lot of importance.
Thank you. I think she also raised the hand, so we will, take your question and we move on.
Yes, so one more thing which is very much in demand and which will be in all the departments, be it HR, commercial, IT and all this stuff, is design thinking, which is coming up. So there are different books written, there are different content, and there are separate sessions which are happening for design thinking. And a lot of retailers and retail industry is something which is really booming up with design thinking.
Perfect. So, there are some listed, but when it comes from the audience, so I will give on the, I'll move on to the next slide, please. Okay. So, Bhaiya, isko, okay. This we did. Now, there are some fundamentals and some essential factors to it. Like, for example, as you rightly said, human from the HR will not be removed, and it all starts from the top. It has to be a top-driven approach, and I'm sure one day or today also, some of us are the leaders. We have to ensure that yes, we have a clear vision. We should have the business case, and of course, we have to abide by the law so that right of governance is there, and innovation model, because as you rightly said, someone has to leverage the technology. Every day the technology is now, every one of you who is using an app, I'm sure every one of us is using at least one app, that's WhatsApp, and you will see periodically there is a change happening in the WhatsApp where you get a notification. Why do you think they are doing? Because they, even if there is a small change, they would like to implement and give you an update on it. So this is how every day they are trying to do an innovation model. And essential factor for this is, of course, leadership, talent, and the change management. And I'm sure one of the speakers is actually going to speak on the change management. Ethics and compliance, Karma Notes would be giving us a complete insight about the compliance part of this. And scaling and initiative strategies, I'm sure Anshumali, by default, you will touch on this point. So what we can do, we can simply ask to automate the key activities, as he said, that some of the things which are the mundane things which are requiring more time, like for example, this morning, we have done an introduction round to understand each other. But if we have that analytics, that how many people have come from Gurgaon, Noida, and all these things, we would have avoided that question. And what is the mode of travel, Uber, Ola, or by the self-driven? So we could have avoided this kind of transactional discussion, and we would have focused a lot on this thing. So what we are going to do, one thing that is happening is we are going to have an automation on the routine task. Augmenting, that means how are we going to add the value to each thing on the people analytics, in case if it is going as an analytics as a part, but how it can be augmented. Then lastly, it's amplifying, that which work is going, or the process or the workflows would be designed by the AI technologies so that we can actually work in a fruitful manner for the human activities or for the decision making. So this is all about AI, and as short as I could do and as interactive as I could do. May I request the technician and the next speaker to go on the dais. In the meanwhile, we can have a small interaction of 2 minutes by the time they settle down. Where is the technical person who can help her, please?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to India's first corporate news channel, We invite interviews, articles, press releases from your organization. Visit our portal www.indianconventions.com. Thank you.